The Book of the Prophet Haggai. Haggai lived in the time after Cyrus, king of Persia, declared freedom for the exiles and said they could return home. This was during the time of Governor Zerubbabel and the high priest Joshua during the Persian period of dominance over the world, during the reign of Darius the Great. Haggai told them that even though the people were saying that it was not a good time to build the temple, they apparently had time to build nice houses for themselves. Haggai convinced them that they should restart the temple project. The prophet Zechariah had a similar message to Haggai at the time, also telling God's people to rebuild his house. The older generation was discouraged because they remembered how nice Solomon's temple was, and they didn't think they could ever build another temple as good as that one. But Haggai prophesies, "The glory of this present house will be greater than the glory of the former house, says the Lord Almighty. And in this place I will grant peace, declares the Lord Almighty." Haggai then brought God's message to the priests, saying that the food shortage in the land, which had come as a result of the people's sins, would end, and God instead planned to bless his people. Haggai then brought God's message to Zerubbabel, the governor of Judah at that time, saying that God planned to overthrow the current world powers, and that he had chosen Zerubbabel to be his chosen signet ring to lead his people. And that's the Book of Haggai in a nutshell.